Shalom. One of the main objectives that we're going to have this year is to study Rashi thoroughly in Chumash and paying attention to how special each word in Rashi is. In Parshas Devarim, on Pasuk Tetzayin, Perek Aleph, Pasuk Tezvav, it says, "Vayikach et Rashei Shiftechem, Meshachtim bedvarim," says Rashi. It's speaking about that Moshe Rabbeinu took the Dayanim. It was the Eitzah of Yitro. Whenever it says in the Torah, I took, it doesn't mean physically. Always it means I took them by speech. Since the essence of a person is his das, you could only communicate with him through speech. Va'ekach et Rashei Shiftechem, Meshachtim bedvarim. I persuaded them with words, the Dayanim, that they should take upon these jobs. Ashreichem, fortunate you are. Al mi batem litmanot, on who do you become having these jobs? Al bnei Avram, Yitzchak, v'Yakov, on the children of Avram, Yitzchak, v'Yakov. Al bnei Adam, on people shenikru achim v'reim, brothers and friends. Chelik v'nachla, v'chol loshen chiba, any kind of terminology of affection. Meaning, what's our yichus? We're the children of Avram, Yitzchak, v'Yakov, and we have a very kind of special relationship amongst ourselves. Interesting that Rashi in this is in Sefer Dvarim, Rashi in Bamidbar in two places also focused on the word va'ekach, but over there we have a different yichus. When Moshe Rabbeinu took the skeinim in Pashas Ba'aloischa, so it says in Bamidbar Perek Yud Aleph Pasuk Tetzayin, Asafta li shivim ish, v'lakachta otam. Kodesh Baruch Hu told Moshe Rabbeinu, and take the 70 skeinim. Says Rashi, how do you take them? Kachem bedvarim. Again, Rashi is saying, take them with words. Ashrechem, fortunate you are. Shenit manetem, that you were appointed. Parnasim, al banav shel makom, administrators on the children of God. So what's our yichus here? Banav shel makom, children of God. It doesn't say bnei Avram, Yitzchak, Yaakov. Rather, banav shel makom, which seems to be our ultimate yichus. And then the same Rashi also in Bamidbar, Perek of Zayin, Pasuk Yud Ches, when Yeshua was being appointed as a manik, so HaKadosh Baruch Hu told Moshe, "Vayomer Hashem al Moshe," in Perek of Zayin, Pasuk Yud Ches, "Kach lecha es Yeshua ben Nun," persuade him to become a leader. Says Rashi again, "Kachenu bedvarim," persuade him with words. Ashrecha, fortunate you are, shezachita lanhig banav shel makom, that you have the merit to lead the children of God. So our yichus in these two places in Sefer Bamidbar is we are the children of God. However, when Moshe Rabbeinu appointed the Dayanim as the result of the advice of Yisro, Rashi says all kinds of other yichusim, titles, everything but the children of God. Bnei Avram, Yitzchak, Yaakov, Chelik v'Nachla. How come we didn't say, like you said twice before in Sefer Bamidbar, Banav Shel Makom? Why rather Bnei Avram, Yitzchak, v'Yaakov? So maybe you could say like this. Why are we called the children of God? Is it a biological factor? No. Rather, Rashi says in Shema, in Parshas Dvarim, "V'shinatem levanecha elu hatalmidim. B'chol makom matzinu she'hatalmidim kruim banim, shenemar banim atem l'Hashem Elokechem." Rashi is saying we are called the children of God because we are the students of God. A Talmud is called a student. It's called a ben. Right? Talmidim nikrim banim. When did we start becoming the students of Hashem? In Har Sinai, when we got the Torah. When HaKadosh Baruch Hu was a Melamed Torah La'am Yisrael, that's when we became Talmidim. That means we're called Banav Shel Makom from Matan Torah and on. Prior to Matan Torah, we're not yet Banav Shel Makom because we're not yet Talmidav Shel Makom. Now, since Rashi says in Parshas Yisrael that there's a machlokes if Yisro came before or after Matan Torah, so that may lead us to say that this suggestion and advice to appoint Dayanim was before or after Matan Torah. But since it's a possibility that it took place before Matan Torah, so we're not yet called Banav Shel Makom. So therefore Rashi said in Parshas Devarim, going back to that period, Bnei Avram, Yitzchak, Yaakov, you name it, everything, but not Banav Shel Makom. Because since it's prior to Matan Torah, we're not called Talmidim yet, therefore we're not called Banim. So therefore Rashi didn't say Banav Shel Makom. It seems a pretty good answer. And the other two times in Bamidbar, which is way after Matan Torah, they were already called Banav Shel Makom. But the truth of the matter is it's not a good answer. You know why? Because true, there's a machlokes in the Gemara if Yisro came before Matan Torah or after Matan Torah. However, the advice to give Dayanim was definitely after Matan Torah. Vayhim Machras, it was a day after Yom Kippur. It's already a half a year after Matan Torah. It's obvious, what do you need Dayanim for if there's no Torah? So we were already Ban of Shalmakom. So how come Rashi didn't give us that title? Why did Rashi mention everything but Ban of Shalmakom in Parshas Devarim if it's already after Matan Torah? The question will be given in Yetz Hashem next year in the campus of the Michlala. I hope to see all of you. L'shana haba'ah b'Yerushalayim habnuya. Thank you.